So at the very core of a security system, of course, is the infrastructure or the security appliance. And this is most likely the first thing you're going to boot up, right? It's one of the first things you also want to secure. And our infrastructure solutions at Genetec, called the Genetec Streamvault, make it much easier to deploy those systems with cybersecurity by default. It also makes it easier to maintain. And with Streamvault, we'll change over 200 settings in factory to make that entire process much easier. And there's a deployment tool, the control panel, which I will show you right now. Essentially, it comes with a startup wizard. So the first time you log in the machine, the first time you start it up, this control panel really helps you rapidly configure the network and the computer settings and some of the settings specific to this appliance. So first thing here is changing the password, right? We want to ensure that we have the best practices, which is a strong and random password for everything. And we'll mention that a few times today, but this is a very important first step. And then we'll see as we log into the system that the first thing that will happen, we'll see that control panel start immediately automatically into that setup wizard. So here we have the Streamvault setup wizard that will really guide us into every necessary step of properly configuring and protecting the system. So first, just some general information, right? We can just make a description and set up the time zone. But then this tab here, security, we can actually activate a few features right away. So blocking remote desktop, automatically logging out users if it's been too long, or enforcing a password complexity. And then we can also modify the system admin password. And we see here that we have password strength meter as well for this. And once we're done with that, we're going to also configure Silence Protect, which is a machine learning antivirus by BlackBerry. So this comes with every single Streamvault machine. So you can choose between online and offline protection, and then you can choose which way we will collect data for system health. And then once we're done, we can start the activation wizard, so to actually activate the machine. One important thing that isn't shown here is the backup. So we can choose between cloud and local backups, which is fully encrypted. So in the cloud, we will keep the last 5 backups.